Hello and welcome to Spoiled by Coco. My name is Apurvi and in this channel I share with you eggless recipes. So let's get baking.
In a bowl, take 55 gram yogurt, add 50 gram castor sugar and 25 gram brown sugar. Mix with a whisk till the sugar has dissolved completely. Now add 56 gram melted butter and mix it well. Add 1 by 4 teaspoon vanilla extract and half teaspoon red food color. Use gel or powder food color and mix it well. Now add 62 gram all-purpose flour and 6 gram cocoa powder and mix till no flour is visible. Add a pinch of salt if using unsalted butter. Lastly, add 1 teaspoon vinegar and mix it. Now reserve 2 tablespoons of this batter to make pattern later. Transfer the rest of the red velvet brownie batter into a pre-lined tin. Here I am using a 5-inch square tin. Smooth the batter out completely and tap it on the counter a couple of times. Keep it aside while we make cheesecake batter. In a bowl, add 112 gram room temperature cream cheese, 25 gram castor sugar. Whisk till the sugar is dissolved completely. Now add 1 by 4 teaspoon vanilla extract and 1 by 4 teaspoon vanilla bean powder and mix. Now add 1 tablespoon of whole milk and mix. Lastly, add half tablespoon of corn flour and mix it completely. Pour the cheesecake batter over the red velvet brownie batter. For making swirl pattern, first add 1 tablespoon of hot water into a reserved brownie batter and mix it to thin it out. Now add dollops of it all across. Use a skewer or chopstick to swirl the batter to make a beautiful pattern on top. Now bake these in a preheated oven at 170 C first for 10 minutes, then cover it with a foil to prevent over browning and continue to bake for 6 to 10 minutes further till your brownies have baked and there is a firmness on top layer of cheesecake.
Please give a video a thumbs up if you have liked it. Subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the bell icon so that you can get notified each time I share a new recipe. Also tell me in the comment how did you like the recipe.
Once our brownies have baked, cool them completely, then place in a refrigerator for 2 hours or overnight before slicing into them. Let us trim the edges to get sharp and clean looking edges. Now cut square such that you can stack them in descending order. Look how fudgy our brownie is. Now stack the brownie to form a tree, starting with the biggest piece and rotating the upper piece slightly. Decorate with M&M. Finish it off with a star on top, which I have made by melting white chocolate. Our edible red velvet cheesecake brownie Christmas tree is ready. Thank you for watching. Spoiled by Coco.